Key Bill.
The taste will send you straight to cloud nine. So sit back with an 8-pack and you'll be feeling just fine. It's got a smooth black coat and a frosty white head. And if I had my choice, I'd drink the Guinness instead of any other beer, whether it's bottle or draft. Sometimes I sip the Guinness, though sometimes I drink it fast. There is nothing else like it, and you know what it's about. The best taste on this earth is that Guinness stout, because Guinness is what we like. 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 Miller Lite, man, what went wrong? The only time I used to is when I put it in my. Listen closely to the song and that I sing. And if I wanted a Miller Lite, I would just drink Poland Springs. Anyone else want a bitter taste like this? Cause it tastes like watered down piss. And now hear me loud, straight and loud from Rhode Island, because the best taste on this earth comes from Dublin, Ireland. Now Guinness is what we like.